It's a new year, which means it's a chance for new beginnings. So when we think of New Year's resolutions, we often imagine starting something new. Start a new habit or break a bad habit. Pursue a big accomplishment. Run your first marathon. Save more money. Write that epic novel you've always wanted to write. Learn how to play a new instrument. Work out each day. And while these goals are great, there's also value in choosing to maintain current systems and habits. See, maintenance is proactive. It helps us prevent problems before they surface. And by focusing on maintaining, we also stay more grateful. It reminds us that the epic life is often found in the mundane and the ordinary. We begin to internalize the idea that we are already okay in our present state without doing more or being more. However, we tend to view maintenance as, well, boring. We have ribbon cutting ceremonies for new bridges, but traffic cones to maintain the existing ones. We watch home improvement shows with bold, big renovations, but no one's gonna watch a show about cleaning out your gutters. Universities name new buildings after patrons, but nobody is asking for the naming rights to the custodial crew. And this is why it helps to create a maintenance goal. You choose a current habit, system, or relationship that you might neglect in the next year. Then create a goal to maintain it. Set aside time in your calendar to make it happen. It could be having coffee with a friend you no longer work with, or it could be the habit of reading each day or spending time with loved ones. Track your progress along the way, and it could be a streak that you keep or a running tally. Create benchmarks and celebrate when you reach key milestones. Maintenance isn't as fun as starting something new, but it is absolutely vital to living a better life.